Welcome to another Ziva Math video. In this video, we will learn how to convert a decimal into a percent. Just like when we change fractions to decimals and decimals to fractions, there are some percent conversions that you should go ahead and memorize to make working with decimals and percents easier. These are contained in this chart along with their fractional equivalents. But now let's take a look at our examples. To convert a decimal to a percent, simply move the decimal two places to the right. So let's look at how that works. In this first example, we have 700ths, and I'm going to take the decimal point and I'm going to move it two places to the right. So now the decimal is behind the 7, which means 700ths equals 7%. And with 6500ths, we're going to do the same thing. We're simply going to take the decimal, move it two places to the right. So now it's behind all the digits. So we have the whole number 65. So 6500ths is 65%. In our next example, we have 2/10, but our steps are still going to be the same. We're going to turn this decimal into a percent by moving the decimal point two places to the right. So if I take the decimal point and I move it two places to the right, I'm going to need to add a 0 behind the 2. It's not changing the value of 2/10, but I need that 0 in order to be able to move my decimal and turn the 2/10 into 20%. Then we have 738 thousandths that I want to turn into a percent. I'm going to do it the same way. I'm going to move the decimal point two places. Now, only two places. You still are going to have digits behind the decimal point in your percent. But to turn your decimal to percent, you're just going to move it two places. So you get 73 and 8/10 percent. So what about 1 and 3500ths? Well, your steps remain the same. You're going to take your decimal point and move it two places to the right. So 1 and 3500ths equals 135%. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to Ziva Math for more videos.